Alright, so Status Jewelers attended the Rick Ross car show. They had their own setup over here trying to sell some jewelry. A lot of people who attended the car show came to check out their pieces. They had a lot of rappers out here taking a look at some of this jewelry, including the former MMG rapper Trell. And a lot of people who had already purchased their pieces from Status Jewelers came to them and showed them some love. Let's check it out.
Get your status up. That shit coming, boy. Watch this. Man, right there. Tell him, man, get your status up.
Man, pull up, man.
Get your status up. Cullinan in the cut, man. Real, man, come on, real status. 926. 926, second place.
Crazy with one like this for about like 45. You know, how much this one?
Yeah. Get your mother status up, baby.
Yeah, you know how we do it.
Everybody get your roll on. ATL, we out Ross Car Show 2023.
Yeah.
Get your status up, though. Get your mother status up, baby.
Hell yeah.
Hottest jewelers in the game, baby. You know what
Step
it is.
in, man.
Shout out Don. You know what it is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. You know who pulled up? Big Dice. You know what to say, man. Get your status up, man.
Get your status up.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Who made this right here?
Yeah, man. Status way. You feel me?
Come on, man. Shout out to my brother Don. Shout out to everybody on the status family.
Yeah.
They take care of me. Every dollar worth it, man. That's all I'm gonna say.
Hey, man. Stop playing. You feel me?
Get your status up.
You know where we at?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you know what that is?
Yeah, get your status up.
You know. Already at the South by at South Lake, man. You feel me? Hey, man, come pull up.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.